The square root property is like algebra's trapdoor shortcut. If you can isolate the square, you can just jump straight to the root. But don't forget the plus, minus sign. It's essential. Leave it out, and Lady Excellenta sighs in sadness and disappointment in heavens. She is the angel of complete answers and proper notation. And yes, she's watching. Don't be scared of square roots that aren't perfect squares. Just simplify them, keep the plus, minus sign, and carry on. Remember, not all solutions are rational. Completing the square is like following a precise recipe. Take half of b, square it, and add it into both sides. That's the secret ingredient. Once it's in, the left side becomes a perfect square, a gourmet trinomial. But forget to add it to both sides? Now you've cooked up a mathematical disaster. Completing the square is legal, even though it looks like algebraic witchcraft. You're adding a magic number to both sides to conjure a perfect square into existence. It feels sneaky, but it's perfectly fair because you're keeping the equation balanced. You're not breaking the rules. You're just using them to your advantage. The quadratic formula is the master key of algebra. It opens the door to any quadratic equation, no matter how weird or unfactorable it looks. Just plug in the values of a, b, and c, and this key does the unlocking for you. But be warned, if you fumble your signs or mess up the order of operations, the lock jams, and that's when erroneous bed Matthias appears. I guess this math demon does not need any introduction. The discriminant is like a crystal ball for quadratic equations. Before solving, you can already predict what kind of roots you'll get: rational, irrational, repeated, or none at all. It's math fortune-telling with fewer candles. Here we see two quadratic equations side by side, one with a discriminant of 0 and the other with a negative discriminant. When d is 0, you get one clean, repeated solution. But when d is negative, you're in the imaginary realm. Thanks God. We are keeping it very real in this course. Application problems are where the math gets practical. Just remember to interpret the solution. Negative time is not a thing, unless you're a time traveler or moving faster than light. Either way, Albert Einstein would disapprove. Quadratic equations may look messy, but underneath the surface, there's elegant symmetry and predictable behavior. Master the methods, square root property, completing the square, and the quadratic formula, and you'll never fear a second-degree equation again. Unless, of course, it's hiding imaginary roots. In that case, bring your imaginary friend.